Yo, hello, Boca Nation, and all of my followers. What is going on with you? It is your boy, Brandon, and I'm about to take you on a ride far, far away. Let's go. Roll my intro. Yo, what's up, everybody? It is your boy, Brad. I want to thank you guys for rocking with me, and I hope you guys had an amazing, incredible day here. I just wanted to drop a video real quick to introduce a few things that is going to be coming out with my channel. I'm trying to get into some podcasting, and as you guys know, I just got the beautiful sounding, amazing pod mic from Rode. This thing, oh my God. Listen to those lows into the mids. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this cardboard microphone, man. Oh my God. I absolutely love it. So now, of course, yeah, you got to be a little bit close to it, but that's what pod mics are for, man. And this one, I've been looking at the SM7B, and so many people use that microphone, but that thing is like $400. The Rode pod mic, $99, man. And just listen to the sound of this microphone. I can go closer and I can get deeper, and it just sounds absolutely amazing. Now, I don't know, I don't have a wall full of soundproof things in here. You might hear a little bit of echo, a little bit of noise, I don't know, but this cardioid microphone does such a great job of trying to keep the sound in front of you. And I just love it. And I am in love with this. I've been looking to improve my audio quality, my voiceovers, and a lot of different things. So I've been on the hunt. You guys know I'm always trying to improve and bring you guys the best quality. I've been trying to look into lights and so many things. So lighting. So when I get a chance, I'm going to spin around the room and tell you, kind of like my setup and what I got going on right now. LED lights that I'm using right now. So I hope everything just looks great. But today, I wanted to talk to you guys about two things on the A7S III that has these two settings have been on all of our Sony cameras. We kind of like glance over it, and we know it's there, but it's not really something that we really care to use all the time. But I have found these two particular settings to be extremely helpful with the A7S III. Now, yes, the A7S III has a new menu system. Now, we're used to our menu systems on the A6000, the crop sensor cameras, our A7 III, and we're used to those systems. I mean, we're used to those menus. So the new menu system of the A7S III, and for future cameras that are coming out, is going to take a little bit used to go through those menus and see what everything is. Nice and organized. I loved it, but there is a lot to it, so it takes a little time. But I wanted to tell you two of the things that has extremely helped me to navigate through the menu system of the A7S III. And I'm going to tell you these two things right now to help me get to the things that I need to get through on the A7S III. The most common things with all these new menu systems, with all these new tabs, with all these new categories, is the My Menu system, the My Menu tab. It is so extremely important to help you guys set up your My Menu system, because like I said, there's a lot of things around the A7S III that you're not going to know where everything is right now. So I have taken the most important things that I use in the A7S III and I put them under one menu, under My Menu. And I love the fact that the My Menu is on the top. It's the first thing that you encounter when you go through the A7S III menu, A7S III, the menu system. It's right there at the top, My Menu, and then it goes through everything else. So being able to have that right at the top and get to the most important things that I need, like changing my format or changing 4K or 1080p, or maybe I need to change my stabilization, or maybe whatever the case may be, is right there in the My Menu system. I don't need everything every day in the A7S III menu system. but to have those few things right there in the front is absolutely amazing. And then once I get more comfortable with the A7S3 menu system and start to go through the tabs and where everything is, then yes. But right now, there's so much in that menu system and it's so new to everybody. Using that My Menu system will save you a ton of work. It'll save you time. It'll save you headaches and everything else. So I highly recommend you guys get the most important things that you need out of the A7S III and put them right there in that My Menu system and start to use that My Menu, because like I said, it's been on all of our other systems and there has not been so much. And I guess it's because we're so used to the old menu system. We know where everything is at. So it's nothing to really navigate to what we need in the other systems. But if you are getting an A7S III or you have one and you are, find yourself fiddling around with the menu system, definitely take advantage of the My Menu system. All right. There's another setting in the A7S III that I love. I have started using it, and I want to tell you why I use this setting. The memory recall is absolutely so helpful for the A7S III, but let me tell you why memory recall is more important on the A7S III than it is on like my A7 III or my A6400 or any of my other cameras. The A7S III, the reason for it is because of the codecs. I use the My Menu system and I use the memory recall on the A7S III because when I'm filming like this, I don't want to shoot in 4K 60 or 4K 120 or anything like that. I can shoot in 4K 24p or shoot in 4K 30, but I don't want to have to go through my menu system every time to change it. I don't need a big file if I'm going to talk to you guys like this. I don't need something huge if I'm going to just, do a session like this, or, talk to you, or do a podcast, or do something like this. I don't need that. So having my memory, being able to do a memory recall and have this set at like 4K 30 would be great. But then if I go out and do a photo shoot, and I know I'm gonna need some slow motion, I know I'm gonna need to bring it, I want to be able to change my memory recall to memory recall number 2, and that be my 4K 60, and have that already set up, so I don't have to mess with it. And then if I really want to do some crazy nice slow motion, I can change to memory recall number 3 and have that already set up with 4K 120. Now the reason for that is because there's so many codecs in the A7S III. Sometimes I might want to use HS, XAVC-HS, which is your H.265. Maybe I want to just use XAVC-S, which is the normal codec that we have in all of our cameras, and maybe I want to use that and use my A6400 or my A7 III as a B cam, and I want to make sure all of those are set up the same exact way. I might even want to do XAVC all I don't know, but being able to set up exactly what you want and use that memory recall exactly what you need at a time that you need to use it is extremely helpful on the A7S III. So I highly recommend you guys, like I said, depending on what you shoot, and like I said, I do a lot of photo shoots, so I need slow motion sometimes, or I need really slow motion, or I need to set it up for an interview or something like this. I want to be able to get to it really fast and not have to worry about it. All right. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Definitely get your things set up. These two things are really like the most important thing that have saved me with the A7S III, not being able to have to fondle and go through things and have things set up exactly when I want it. And I hope you guys enjoy my new Rode mic, the Rode Pod mic. This thing is amazing. And guess what? I'll be back. I'll talk to you in the next one. This is your boy, Brandon, signing off. Holla at your boy. Peace.